Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to today's video. So today we got a pretty cool one. So this is a new item from ECS Tuning, and as you can see is a super light box. So let's just tear right into it. So by the time you see this would have been out for about a week, but it's a pretty new release, and we got pretty lucky in getting this on time and sort of early. But I won't hold you up any longer. Let's flip this over and start getting right into it. Fair to say it came all packaged. You guys saw all that packaging material, but we can finally get it out of the box here. And we'll take this bubble wrap off as well. I've never had more trouble getting anything else out of bubble wrap. This is amazing. I just don't know. So we'll get this off now, I hope. And there we have it. This is our new trunk lip spoiler for the B5. This is made out of plastic, so it's just black plastic there. It does have a protective film over it, so all these little imperfections and scratches you see aren't on the actual piece. Under it, it is super glossy, nice black, as you can see there. But we'll leave that on for now. Leave it on for install. So yeah, this is it. I'm dropping the link below so you guys could see the link for ECS on where I got it. New trunk lip spoiler. It's very similar to what you guys see on the B8 S4 platform and the B8 A4s, if you've seen those around. And let's go do a little mock-up before we even get to installing it. Okay, so I forgot we still had our old spoiler on here, so we're gonna have to remove that first. So all you need for that is a bit of fishing line, which you guys can't see, and a little bit of elbow grease. So we'll start here and just start cutting the old 3M tape that's under this. And I'll just see you guys when I get to the end. We'll put that off to the side. Now we got the new ECS spoiler here, and we'll just place it on just so we can get a little mock-up to see how it looks and how it fits. And I'll show you guys some shots here in a second. Okay, so here we are. First thing I notice is how tight the fit is. So you can see right there, it's pretty flush before the trunk ends. So we get a really nice fit there. And then going on with the rest as well. Just super nice the way it fits there. Really tight lip all the way down, and we get to the same thing on the other end. Really nice fit there, right down to the edge. And now we'll take a look at the bottom here, and we're looking at the same thing again. Really tight fit. Awesome quality from ECS here. All right, so the install for the lip is very simple. So the install for the lip is very simple. It's 3M tape at the bottom, has the red protective cover on it, so when we're ready to install, we'll just peel that off. And once we had it all peeled off, we will hold it from both sides, place it on the trunk spoiler, and just make sure we're even on both sides. When you're doing this, it might help to have another person with you so they could hold the opposite side of where you're holding, and that way you could both measure at the edge of the trunk lip and make sure you're even. But the fit is pretty good on this. It's like dead on. So if you get one side lined up, I'm pretty sure you have the other side lined up as well. Now, this is black, as we can all see. And the black, I think, looks pretty good. It makes nice contrast with the red on the car. But the car is going in for a respray pretty soon. It's staying laser red, but we're fixing a bunch of the issues it has with rust and dings and whatnot. The car's gonna be new looking, hopefully. So with that being said, should we paint match it? Should we paint match it laser red so that it just flows well with the car? I mean, like I said again, I do like the black. And I'm not 100% sure, but just drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think, whether we should paint it or not. And right after the install, I'm going to show you guys some glamour shots so you can see what the lip looks like in the wild, in black. And then maybe in the future, it might be red. Who knows? Let's see what you guys think. All right, so we removed the film that was protecting the adhesive on the 3M. And now we're just going to line this up nice and tight. We'll push the back up against the car, make sure we're good on the edges, and then we're just going to drop this on. And before we go ahead and put any pressure on it, we're going to go through, just make sure we're nice on the edges, check the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the other side too, just make sure that everything looks right and it's all even. And once we do that, then we can go ahead and apply some pressure onto it and make sure the adhesive grabs well. So go throughout the whole thing, make sure you put pressure on the back, pushing in towards the car to make sure that 3M adhesive holds well. And the same thing on all the edges, make sure you press down well on the edges so that the whole thing is just well secured down. Now once that's done, we get to the good part. So I'll bring you in closer for that. And there she is. And this is really staticky. Now it's a nice, bright, sunny day in Jersey. As you can see, I had a glare on my face. So we're gonna go outside and just view this thing in natural light so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. And then tomorrow, which will be in a few seconds or minute for you guys, we're gonna take the car out after it gets washed and just go for a cruise, take some pictures with the rest of the B5s, and that way you guys can see what it looks like. I'll get some video and some pictures of different angles so you can see what the car looks like with this lip on. So let's get to it. Let's check it out.